Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can reset the password of your Netflix account. Let's say you forgot the password of your Netflix account and you want to change your password without knowing your current one. Well, you guys can do that, but there are some certain steps you need to follow, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do those steps. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, you want to search for Netflix login and click on where it says Netflix login over here. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to the official website of Netflix. Once you're over here at the top right corner, you can see the sign in button. Click on it and it's going to take you to the login page. Now once you're over here on the login page, make sure to enter your email address. Alright, so I'm going to enter my email address, which is linked with my Netflix account over here, and over here enter a password. It doesn't matter, it doesn't has to be right. Make sure you enter an incorrect one. Click on sign in. Once your password is incorrect, it's going to show you this reset your password option. We just wanted this option to pop out, that's why we had to type the password. So click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the password reset page. Over here you have two options, whether you want to use email or text. I'm going to use email, so I'm going to choose email and write my mail over here real quick. Once I write my mail, click on email me. Once I do that, it's going to send a mail to this. Alright, so I need to go to my email and check the mail sent by Netflix. Once I check the mail, there's going to be a link. I need to click on that link. Once I click on that link, it's going to take me to the page where I can enter my new password. After I enter my new Netflix password, it's gonna be set and I can log in into my account using this email and the new password which I changed it into. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can reset the password of your Netflix account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.